Hello everyone and welcome back to the workshop. My name is Ray and today we're going to be doing a blog style video, a bit of an update of where I've been at. As you can see, I'm in my brand new workshop and I spent a good part of last summer building it and moving the old shop into it. So today I'm going to give you a quick little tour, kind of give you an update of what I've been up to, what I'm planning to do. I have some new ideas for videos that I'm going to be doing, some series and stuff like that. Hopefully we're going to be doing some different things that maybe other people aren't doing so much. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Let's get started. Over here we have the forging machine, a Da Vinci Cam power hammer. And over in this corner we have the belt grinder. Hey, remember that video I shot about a year ago on making fire bricks for my forge? Well, here they are. They're still holding up and going strong. The things that this larger workspace has allowed is I can keep my forge, my power hammer, and my anvil all generally in a triangular shape pattern close to each other. That way I don't have to waste a lot of time between heats, walking back and forth, heating up material, forging it on the anvil, or forging it under the power hammer. So it's much more efficient, much more enjoyable. And I also added a dirt floor, which I tell you, I've been working on concrete for many, many years, and I didn't want to have concrete in my shop. So another thing I want to talk about is I am ordering a new camera, or have ordered a new camera. I'm hoping it's going to come in the next week. Now that I have the space, I'm going to set up some better lighting. So I'm really looking forward to improving the quality of my videos. That's one of the things I really want to focus on, is the quality of the production, better camera shots. Probably noticed in the past the camera's a little shaky, the autofocus is a little wonky, so those are the issues I'm really hoping to deal with this year and make the videos that much more enjoyable to watch. And last May I went down and took a blacksmithing class in New Hampshire, made a couple hammers, a pair of tongs, a couple of punches, and I learned to forge with coal, which was definitely different than working with gas. I actually liked it. It was a bit of a challenge at first, but once I got the hang of it, I found it was actually quite easy to use. Did a little bit of forge welding, which is the first time I've actually done more or less drop the tongs kind of technique, as I'm sure you've seen other people do on other YouTube videos. But I had a really, really good time. I recommend any guys out there that have not taken a blacksmithing class, I would definitely look into doing it because it gives a chance to work with somebody else. You can really build some new skills that you don't have. And it just really helps a long way to build your confidence as a blacksmith. For any of you out there wondering, hey, what happened to that Damascus knife he was working on? Well, here it is. For the most part, I got it complete. I'm really pleased with the way it came out, but unfortunately, when I went to edit part 3, I had an issue with the camera and I lost pretty much most of the footage. I didn't really have enough to put together for a video, but I wanted to show you guys that I did complete the knife. It came out pretty nice. You can see the nickel going through the blade. I'm really pleased with the way that came out. And overall, for my first attempt at making a Damascus knife, I consider relatively pretty much a success. So some of the projects I've been thinking about taking on is maybe making some tools, some historical tools. I have a couple of books on early American tools, some European tools, and what I may end up doing this year is making a few tools from that book. Try to do some stuff that other people haven't done or haven't done as much. So that's a couple of the ideas I've been working on. And one of the projects I have planned for the summer is I'm going to be building a coal forge. When I took my class down in New Hampshire, we did all our forging using coal and I found it very fascinating. I think having a coal forge will allow me to try different types of forging techniques and use different methods, more traditional methods. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build an older style forge, a forge that they might have used hundreds of years ago. I'm going to build it out of clay and stone masonry, sort of like a trench style that you see people in Asia use that they might have used in medieval times. So that's one of the cool ideas I'm looking forward to trying out this summer. You'll just have to wait and see. Well, all right, I guess we're going to wrap this up. I'm glad you guys stuck it out for the entire length of the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, hit that like button. Anyway, stay safe and we'll catch you on the next one.